Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll be sharing with you the routine of my autistic boy. He has already started his school. Other kids are still on vacation, so today is the second day of his school. I woke him up for the breakfast. He was actually awake. Could I sit properly? We don't give him normal milk. He drinks lactose and gluten-free product. We just researched it ourselves. We Google it and we found that these products are more helpful for the autistic children. It's Alpro vanilla flavor, but there are so many flavors. Here you go, your milk. Zain has already brushed the teeth and he dressed up already. Are you ready? Sometimes if it's raining or snow, we just stay inside. The taxi comes and they call us, then we bring him outside. Zen, buckle up your seatbelt.
Yeah.
Faster, faster. China lang. Non-enlightened, taquitos. Ora. Zain is already in the taxi going to school. Now I can relax. Well, let me discuss his routines with you, what he does in the school the whole day. He goes to school at 7:15, then he comes back after 4 p.m. His morning routine starts with the breakfast. He eats breakfast at home. In the school, they have morning assembly. Then they go to the classes. Usually, they have kasituya. They do the hand work. That's what the autistic children like to do, and that's what he has learned so far. And he has been learning a lot. He is very accurate, cutting with the scissors, crafting, making things, drawing, coloring, stuff like that. He does very well, and he does it at home as well. Whatever he sees outside, for example, he's been making these days a lot of buses he's making with the cards and with the paper. He colors it very well, exactly how many windows, how many doors, and shows also the passenger inside and the driving seat driver. He's very accurate. He does use some phrases. For example, if he wants to eat something, want to eat, want rice, more rice. For drinking, for example, he says drink water. There is no subject. He doesn't use the subject, but he uses the phrase. If he has pain, he says ouchie tummy, ouchie head, something like that. He expresses somehow, and the annoying expression that something is happening wrong. He had been aggressive before, but he is not that aggressive since he came here in Finland. So in the school morning, they start with the kasituya. They do the handwork. They have classroom activities. They also have outside activities. They usually go outside. Normally they go outside to do the activities like exercise. They also have like outdoor activities, a lot of outdoor activities. They go for the forest hiking. They visit different places, for example lakes, museums, zoo. So they are given these opportunities. They are provided with the transport, food and snacks. They just need to bring their water bottle. Then after that they have their lunch time between 10:30 to 11 o'clock. They are disciplined, well disciplined, how to eat, how to prepare your food, how to arrange in the plate. Then after eating you need to clean your place, put the dishes into the sink for washing, so they know hand washing. So these things are taught, and those he's taught in the school are also reflected here at home. He does the same. He's very neat and clean. He wipes his face with a tissue, drinks water, put the dishes there in the sink, and also washes his hands. So he's very good with the routines. After their lunchtime, usually they go for the nap, and after nap again, it's up to them if they want to stay indoor, do the indoor activities, drawing, crafting, games and some other things, or they go outside and play there outside, and their transport fetch them and bring them to their address. So Zain comes home after 4 o'clock, but when he comes home, he's still active, he's still energetic, because autistic children, they are very active. At home also, he has a lot of things to do. He's extremely busy person. Normally, they don't have subjects like other children. They usually have subjects, mathematics, physical education, science and stuff like that, but they don't have. Special children have quite enough time, to be in the school. Long hours in the school doing meaningful activities, and it's good also for the parents because they can work full time. Zain is back. The taxi driver has called already. He's outside. Bye bye. Why your ears are closed? Zain, don't run. Very good. So Zain has some stuff from the school. He will put it there under the sofa. Some thrown under the sofa. Pocket full of garbage. Zain, wash your hands. You want to eat something?
You don't want this song.
Wash your hands properly. Don't just rinse your hands. You did not wash properly. Wash with the soap and water. Yes, put soap. There is soap. Yes. Nice. Trying to do the shortcut. We went today outside, Zain. So this is for you. Eat your burger and fries. What toy is this? What is this?
Bug.
Ah, it's a bag. Wow, nice. Here's the ketchup if you want. After the snacks, I usually ask him about his routines in the school, what he has done today. Yeah, what's that? Again, there is a bus. Extremely busy man. Zain is cutting now something. Okay, show it to David. Very good. Here you go. Zain has made this bus. Say, this is
This is
my bus.
my bus.
other side. This is the back side. Okay. I asked him to go for the shower. Well, he showers himself, but he doesn't do it well. And he needs help with the shower. Shin, what are you doing? Are you doing piano?
Piano.
Very good. Zain, have you brushed teeth already? Zain needs to brush teeth. Close the piano, please. Thank you. Okay, you got something. So Zain has already eaten his dinner. Now he's brushing his teeth. After that, he will just play for a while and then he will go up to his room. We actually ask him to go and sleep. If you don't ask him, he's not gonna sleep. He will be awake and he'll be playing. Although he's tired, but he doesn't want to go to bed. So we encourage the kids to go early. Usually at 9 o'clock, they are already in the room, lying down, lights off. Are you tired?
Okay.
Repeating only. Repeating the sentence. You look ugly in front of the camera. Just don't go straight into the camera. See? It's like monkey face. Super tired. He's super tired, but he doesn't want to go upstairs. He will only go when we'll ask him. This is how Zain's daily routines go. When he came from the school, first he ate his snacks. After that, he played for a while. What he did today, actually, he just drew a bus on a paper. Then he colored it. Then he cut it. After that, he was holding it. He had also something from the school. The activities he did there, he brought it here, and he just threw it there under the sofa. After that, he took a shower. After shower, he ate dinner. After that, he played piano for a while. In between, he also played with his siblings, just running around and doing something. In the morning and afternoon, we had already been outside, so we didn't have time after that. During the whole day, he's calm. We don't give him any medications because some autistic children, they have their regular medicines to calm them down or just to relax them, to control their moods or something like that, but he doesn't have any medications. He doesn't have mood swings much. I ask him many times the questions, and at several occasions I try to take him out of his routine activities that he's been doing, but he doesn't mind it. Sometimes he just says something that shows that he doesn't like somebody to disturb him, but he is not that aggressive. He doesn't shout that loudly, but before he was not like that. He had been aggressive before. He had some tantrums. Now I can say that less likely he has those tantrums that he had before. This was just a typical day of Zen's routine life. I'll be keep posting some other days, some important information regarding the activities in the school and the progress that he has been making. Zen has been here in Finland for 2 years. When he arrived in Finland, after a month, he started going to the special children's school. He got the place. So I would also like to share in the next few videos about the diagnosing process and how the treatment or the management goes. What is the plan of the treatment for Zane? What we had been discussing previously with the teachers. What is the pedagogical assessment that is done for Zane? What they discuss in the meetings usually when we have the parents meeting with the teachers, what areas they focus on, and how they do different than others. Because Zane has experienced 3 different countries before he came to Finland. Living with autistic children, of course, is a challenging job for the parents. How we as a parents and how the school work on these special children to make them living a happy and meaningful life. I can understand the feelings of the parents who lives with the autistic children. It's not of course easy, but still the parents have courage to manage and do best for their children. I'll be keep sharing the information and strategies with you what helped Zane improve his condition. Thumbs up if you like the video. Write down in the comment section if you have any such experience like this. Consider subscribing and following if you are new to the channel or platform. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.